she told me, like, I just came, baby, you know what? There's a good news. So the message for today, what we want to give is this: a love for grandparents. If you're doing, do it equally and show that love, because we will leave this world and we will go. What will remain is the memories. Please do give the love to your grandparents as same as how your grandparents give you the love.
Hello, good.
Hello.
Good morning.
Mommy.
Hello. Yes. Hello, good, Baba.
Hello.
कैसे है good?
Gracias.
Chapili.
Simple.
Hey, Chapili. Hi, friends. Today is raining. It's not really good weather today, honestly. Like, it's summertime in UK here, and it's raining. What can we say about that? It's unpredictable weather over here. And as you all know, the Novena has started for Saint Anne for us, our patron. And I'm working this week, but on the weekends I'm off anyways. So might have thought like just go do some shopping for the Saint Anne's feast. I've invited some of my friends and family just to come over, because on Saturday is the parishioners of Ponda in Swindon here. They celebrate in a community hall over here where all our parishioners come together. So that is the plan. We'll be going for that event for dine and dance. The afternoon is the mass, and then if anyone comes on Saturday, then I'll not have enough of time to make them comfortable coming at home and making them sit and give them a really good feast welcome over here. So that's what we thought, to invite them on Sunday. Actually, the feast is on Sunday, like in Ponda. The feast will be on Sunday celebrated, but here people come from far away and the weekends are off and all. So that's why we try to do it on Saturday. So Sunday they have a rest day for them, because people from London, Reading, far away places, they come over here. So that is the plan. And this little Chirmuli is with me dancing, and hey, I'm not taking a Chirmuli on now. Right? Kisi di dada. Bye good. Bye good. Bye good. Bye. Flying kiss. Flying kiss di baba. Flying kiss. They are wicked more. They're flying kiss. So love you good.
Bye.
So friends, here you go. We've done the shopping already. 80% of the shopping has been done. Here is the marketing, all we have done. So we got the meat also earlier. I did not show you all the place where I bought the meat from, because it was too much rush over there at that time. So almost done, little bit more, and we are ready for the feast. It feels really nice, when it's a feast and everything. How is that joyful? You are excited with that thing. I've just come from night shift, haven't slept yet, and it's like what? It's 12 o'clock now. But I'm still feeling very strong, acting with that, because the umed is festa. First time kota we never got that chance, because my sister is Ponda. We got married in Ponda. So it's all at there only. So everyone will celebrate the feast. So we never got any chance like that. Now that I've moved over here, I have that feeling of okay, I'm having people coming from far away to my place. It's a different feeling. So guys, you see what a good surprise. Again, I'm just in the market. I'm doing the feast shopping, and I get another subscriber to see for me. Stephanie and her mom over here. She helloed me first, but I had bags in my hand and I could not go and just say, make a video with her. But then I came along to see her, and I met Stephanie also over here. So it's very nice, but thank you so much. And not a lot of people will just come and just say hello to you, but it means a lot, and we are overwhelming with these things, the way how she came and hello. Thank you, and God bless you all for that.
God bless you.
Hello everyone, it's me and Angel here. So today I'm going to play a game. Me and Angel are going to play a game which is OXO. Right, Angel?
No, it's tic-tac-toe.
Oh, it's tic-tac-toe, yeah. So when we were small, we used to play this game on a piece of a paper or a book or something. And it was a very fun game. But yeah, today Angel has a nice game. See this one? And yeah, we are going to play because Angel is on holidays and we have to do something or the other, right, Angel?
Yes, summer holidays and finally I can sleep late.
You can sleep late. Yes, she sleeps late and gets up late as well. But yeah, so yes, we are going to play this game now. Yeah. So this is that game what we are going to play now. It's tic tac toe. But yes, so let's start, Angel.
Yes. Which one is you? I'll be the X.
So let's start. I'm O, okay?
And I'm X.
So start.
Okay, okay. What?
Oh, you got 1 point.
Oh,
You did not know, by the way.
I thought you would go like this or like that.
So it's round 4. We are only going to play round 5. But yeah, this is round 4 and let's see who wins.
No,
No one wins. This is the final round now. Let's see who wins. Yay! I won, Angel. Finally, I got 1 point. But you, anyways, you won the game. Are you happy?
yes, but I'm so happy that you actually got 1 point.
Aww. Okay. Angel, are you excited
Yes.
that your summer holidays have started?
Yes, I'm so excited. And I'm actually so excited because tomorrow it's the 26th of July and it's Grandparents' Day. And it's going to be St. Anne's actual feast.
Oh yes, tomorrow is Saint Anne's actual feast, right?
Yes. And I'm so excited.
So what are you doing for your Nana?
So I'm going to make a card and I'm going to show you to you later.
Oh wow.
It's going to be very nice.
So are you going to do on behalf of Kisha as well?
Yes, behalf of Kisha.
Since Angel wants to play another game, yeah. So I think this game you all had seen before when Laishu and Angel was playing this game with Cashley. But yeah, today she wants to play with me. So let's see who wins. Let's start. Then you have to press this.
Oh, 1 point.
So Mama got 2 points. Angel is on 0. Okay. The last one. Oops. So yes, this is a very fun game. This we had bought it from Smith's here in London. From London we had bought this from Greenford. But yeah, you get this in most of the shops, I think in B&M or Smith's. So it's a very fun game. And if anybody wants this type of a game, you get it in Smith's or you get it in B&M, I guess. I don't know, maybe in some other places as well. But we have still seen in Smith's and it's still available there. So Angel is going to make a card for her Nana because tomorrow is Grandparents' Day. And Angel, you want to say something?
Yes. Now I'm going to be so excited for tomorrow because I can't wait to give this to Nana and see how she feels now.
So wow, here it is. Angel has made a card finally. So Angel, you want to show your card?
Yes. So this is me, this is Nana, and this is Kisha.
Wow. Oh, you have written nice.
Should I read it for you?
Yes?
To Nana, happy Grandparents' Day. God bless you and have a lovely, beautiful day. Love from Angel and Kisha. Nana, thank you for loving me and Kisha. Thank you for taking care of me and Kisha. You are a kind, loving person. Love from Angel and Kisha.
Wow, that's amazing.
But this you loved his pop.
Oh, that's nice.
Mm.
Well done, Angel. So this little princess is my niece Denisha. She is in Goa and she is Nigel and Sonia's daughter, who is my Mogatso brother. She is going to get Baji. Love you, baby, my doll.
Hi friends, it's very hot today, so I'm doing mango lassi. We had this mango pulp with us from a long time, so just might have thought of doing mango lassi. Nice, very nice lassi. I'm telling you guys, if it's very hot and all, always have this kind of drink for you. Yogurt is a very good component to reduce your heat. So lassi is the best thing. Make nice, refreshing smoothies or anything. People in the UK, they usually get this kind of. We don't get fresh mango every season over here, but we get a lot of pulp like this, which is very easy available into Indian stores or even the superstores like Asda, Tesco's. If you go, you find them. Just use of this. You can make the lassi easy, just like yogurt, milk, cardamom powder. And there you go, your lassi is ready for you. She finished the lassi, see? It's a pehla haal liya hota. Nice, nice, Baba. I was so hard, like a diamond, caught in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, I wonder what you are. I was so high, like a diamond. Tengok, Lisa. Sorry.
See what she has done.
Huh? So bit of pani. What is this, Kisha? What is this? What is this?
Kaba.
Huh?
Kaba.
Kaba? Kini kaba?
Oh my God.
No. Huh?
Hey friends, today I just came to know about my best friend that she delivered a baby girl. And yes, Jenny and Mark, congratulations. I'm so happy, and yes, I was right that it was a baby girl.
Yeah, congratulations, Jenny, Mark. Very much congratulations to you, and God bless the baby. Nadia was so excited when she got the information that she told me, like, I just came, baby, you know what? There's a good news. I said, good news? How look? That's a good news, guy. Jenny delivered a baby girl. I said, so God bless you all. God bless the baby. Blessings to all the family as well, and congratulations to your family too.
Yes, congratulations to everyone. And yes, Angel wants to give a message.
Congratulations, Godma and Mark. I can't wait to see the baby.
So friends, there's second best news also that we came to know. And the news is that there is this couple, Mr. and Mrs. DeCosta. They also run a YouTube channel. And yesterday, Mama came and told me, "Tu mom zalo." "Ha mom zalo." Mage boyna ne keto yaar gay bono. I said, "Mom zalo." The Mr. and Mrs. DeCosta hai. She's expecting Savio and Tasha. Congratulations to you all. God bless you all, and wish you all the very best. Take care, Tasha, of yourself. Mama was very excited, and Mama has a message to give for you.
Yes, and we'll keep you in our prayers.
साव्या आणि ताशा कॉंग्रॅच्युलेशन तुमकां. हांव खूब खुशाल जालें देवान म्हजी मागणी आयकलें म्हूण, आनी हांव सदांच म्हज्या प्रेयरांत तुमकां दवरतलें.
So happy Grandparents' Day to Papa and Nana. I love you both and I miss you both. And even if you're in heaven. Kisha, you Kisha, even Dada, happy Grandparents' Day, and I got something for you.
Thank you.
So, thank you. So,
Jesus bless you. Bless you. This is for you.
thank you.
घे देवा घे उतर आणि सदांच रीड कर
Word of God.
वर्ड ऑफ गॉड आणि या उतराप्रमाणे चल.
Okay.
Grandparents hold our tiny hands for a while, but our hearts forever. Hello, friends, and welcome back to our channel, K2N Family. I hope you all are doing well by the grace of God. Today is Grandparents' Day, and today's vlog is all about grandparents. So, happy Grandparents' Day. So, friends, even this vlog was very excited for us because we did a lot of things. It was especially about grandparents, Angel and Kisha. I mean, like Angel did it along with Kisha. They had a nice made goodie for Mama because Angel is like more friend of
Her
Nana than calling her Nana. So that is one good thing of that. Like they have fun of their own way. And so we did go out to do the shopping for the feast because we have invited a lot of family and friends. As childhood, when the feast used to happen to a different, like, we stay in Ponda and the feast is in Agasai. We'll go to Agasai.
Yeah,
Or
it's
the
good to travel
yeah.
far. I feel that feeling.
You feel a
Someone
lot
is
of people coming. Yeah, people from other places also will come. Like, all the relatives will come for feast. You will feel nice, that good vibe. You will meet people, your relatives from far away and all. Because that was the time. Now, what used to happen, because we were in London, we did not get enough of chance to do that because everyone will celebrate and everyone who will come. Now that I'm here and our Ponda parishioners, like in Sweden, they celebrate this feast over here.
Yeah, really.
Every year they have took a very good initiatives in doing that, getting all the parishioners together from Ponda, and they celebrate the feast. They conduct a mass over here, and then they have get together, like they have an event that they celebrate with. So it is also very nice. I haven't told this anytime before. I don't know whether I've mentioned it before or not, but I have my grandmother. My mom's mom, she's there and she's good and healthy. तुझे पोयती झाला Happy Grandparents Day तुका.
Happy Grandparents Day, my.
Bye Nadia. Yeah, so
love her.
she is lovable. I remember my childhood and I can say she's my second hand to raise me up as well because I told you about my Mai and Pai because I call her Mai and my grandfather Pai. My grandfather is not there with me. He passed away long back when I was small. But Mai was there. Mai took very good care of us. Like, she was there at the time. We should feel very happy when she used to come home and all, like, give a equal love to us. Like, get goodies for everyone.
Yeah.
Very nice. It was very nice what you had. I will always have that love for her, for Mai. And same with you as well, I guess.
Yeah.
You also.
I don't have grandparents now because they have passed away. But yeah, from my dad's side, I did not see my papa. But my nana, she was very loving. We used to go there for holidays, and she used to wait when we come for holidays. And my mama's side, my Mai, Pai, they were so loving. My Mai always used to get us goodies like biscuits and all when she used to come to meet us. And yes, that love what they used to show is I just feel emotional when it comes to grandparents.
The sad thing is, like, okay, my dad's side, I could not get to see my grandparents because before my dad got married, my grandparents, they passed away. So I did not see them, but I have their picture. I know that if they were there, they would also have given me the equal love as how my mom's parents have given me. Now, Angel and Kisha, they are lucky that Mama is here. Like, she's getting that love, Mama. But my mom, she's not there. My elder daughter, Angel, she was fortunate to be with Mama. But Kisha, before Kisha was born, my mom passed away. But mom did say to me before Kisha was born, Baba, chodu astale muna. I was like, remember that words for what Mama used to say. But yes, Mama, wherever she is there, I know that she will be sending a blessing. Even your dad, he has given a lot of love for Angel. So much love, I will say, that even today, Angel is 7. Sometimes while going to school, she'll get up in the morning and she will just say, "Dada, when Papa will come back?"
And then she cries.
She cries because she just says, he used to play with me, he loves me, and this. She has that feeling, he has seen that emotion with him. He used to play with the hide and seek. We have some of his like small clips of his, like, very emotional, very touching. But unfortunately, even he could not see for Kisha because he passed away even before that. But I know my mom, your dad, they are in heaven, and from there they will be sending blessing for our kids. So the message for today, what we want to give is this: a love for grandparents. What happens is many a times there are a lot of siblings in the house. Yeah. Some siblings are close by, some siblings be far away, and there are this and that, whatever. But in what do you think, in your opinion, who should balance this distance, or who should take the initiative to take decisions that, okay, I'll be very legit, or I'll be very genuine to everyone, or pass my love to everyone the same?
Yes, it's the elders.
Is the elders. The elders have to make this decision to see where I have to step and how I have to do. Because what I've seen is many times, if this does happen, is the love for the grandparents does not go to every grandchild equally. And what happened, like, then it will be a feeling like, okay, my kid doesn't get a love, her kid doesn't get a love, or if my kid gets something a lot, the other one doesn't get. So in that opinion, I would say, like, okay, if you're doing, do it equally and show that love. Because we will leave this world and we will go. What will remain is the memories.
And which is very true, because the grandchildren should remember the grandparents once even when they are gone. Because I still remember Angel crying for Cashley's mom or my dad. Like, she's so emotional sometimes. Like, we feel that, like, she's so small and she feels that pain and she feels that love what they have given her.
Yeah, it is true, because it does happen in many families, I would say, in many houses. That will be the stories where we hear, like, okay, my parents, they only look after their kid, they don't show me the love. Or kids will say, okay, my grandparents, they don't love me, they don't give me anything, any gifts. Kids, they're always about the gifts, about goodies, how nice they do. They don't understand the thing unless we tell them, okay,
But
they notice.
Yes.
They notice very well. If I'm wrong in this, if the kid doesn't notice, ask yourself, what is the youngest age of yours that you remember about yourself? You'll remember the youngest age. I will know when I fell, when I was small. I remember the small things. So definitely, they are also going through the same age that we have walked through. So if we can remember our grandparents would have done, why not our kids will remember? Will remember as well.
And it's good to give love when you're there. It's like
it
memories, you have to make memories with your grandchildren, grandparents. Even for the grandchildren, you have to make memories with your grandparents, because they are very special. Grandparents are very special, because once they are gone, it's no point of crying and then remembering them. Yeah, make memories, and then if you're emotional and if you want to cry, cry it out.
That's what I say.
Yes.
मगे मामी एक मोडाली मेलो कोकणी एक मुंडे हावे मेलो मोशी हाडल्या कोण म्हणना.
Yeah, even
I don't
my
know.
dad used to say,
What is the meaning of that? But what I feel, I have my theory about this is, like, once the person is gone, nobody cares about it.
yes.
But the thing is, why to simply show our love for someone that person is not around?
Yeah.
My request to all the grandparents, near, far away, from any place, if you're watching this, I know that you all will be the best grandparents. You all will be giving equal love. If our message is going something very wrong to you all, then we are sorry about that, because we are nobody to judge, as we said. But it just comes from the heart to just pass on, because sometimes it does feel, because
It
sometimes,
just keeps from mind, and then we realize what we have done.
yeah. And because many friends of ours also do come and speak to us, like, We don't feel that, like, I see like, okay, my brother's kids have been taken care and my kids, they have not been noticed. Yeah. Or they have done. And sometimes I feel like, okay, grandparents, they also don't do it knowingly, but they are elders. If we can say you're wiser, then you know what you're doing it. And if you have raised your kids, then you know much better to raise your grandchildren as well. I will not say a lot about this, but my only request is that anytime that you all see your grandchildren, just
Spread love equally.
spread love equally. Don't make them feel their difference. Even though if you don't feel, maybe the small actions make them feel. And when that thing happens, it goes to your children's minds as well. Then the siblings has the problem. A lot of things happen. But only they spread love for the kids, and for all those kids who are watching, give a lot of love for your grandparents.
Yes, respect them, value them.
The very important is that you have to respect your grandparents. Yeah, you have to love them because that's all they need. They don't need anything from you. They don't need your chocolates. They don't need your toys. They don't need your money, nothing. All they need is your love. So please do give the love to your grandparents as same as how your grandparents give you the love. So friends, here we are to give a shout out for our subscribers, the lucky 5 that we pick up.
So the first shout out goes to Connie D'Souza from Luton, UK.
So Connie D'Souza, yeah, she says she loves our vlog. Connie, I know that you said that she loves our vlog and she loves the way we try to speak to our kids. Yes, we try to speak to our kids because we tried especially with Kisha, because Kisha at least she will speak Konkani.
Yeah.
Angel,
no.
we tried to speak in English because we can't England English. We only had that for ourselves. So yes, thank you so much, Connie. God bless you.
The second shout out goes to Shrutika Kavlekar.
Shrutika Kavlekar, she says that she loves our vlogs. Shrutika, thank you so much for loving our vlogs, and I hope you are enjoying the way how we present our vlogs. Thank you and God bless you.
The third shout out goes to Elizabeth Viegas.
So Elizabeth Vegas, she does says that she loved in our previous vlog where daughter and father was having a dance. Thank you so much for showing your appreciation for us. Thank you, Elizabeth. Thank you and God bless your family.
The fourth shout out goes to Monica Montero.
Monica Montero, yeah, she sends lots of love, blessing for us and our kids. Monica, thank you so much for sending your love and blessing to us. It means a lot. Stay safe. God bless.
And the fifth shout out goes to Shellyan Alfonso.
Shellyan Alfonso, yeah, huh? Shellyan Alfonso is your relative, isn't it? Yeah, she's your relative. I know that. She's Father Cajetan's niece, and very nice person, a very good girl she is. I know Shellyan from long since I've met
I
Nadia.
know her when she was born, actually.
But she's very nice. Why I say she's very nice, I like her very much. In my family, everyone calls me Baba only. You know that, yeah? They go Kashli Baba. It's out of love or respect, whatever you say, they call me. Nobody calls me by name. They call me by Kashli Baba, which I really love about my family because they have that respect and the love for me. Shellyan, she's also, whenever she writes or she texts a message or whatever she will say, no, she'll always say Kashli Baba.
Yeah.
This is very nice, and Shellyan, I really love about your thing that when you say that. But thank you, Shellyan, for writing. I've seen many times that you always have written, and luckily we got your name today on the video.
Shellyan.
Thank you, Ani. Yeah. So, friends, our vlog is come to an end now. We had a really good time talking to you, sending a message out. So, friends, before we end up, our final word to say, stay safe, God bless you all, and our final word to say, adios.
Adios.